Chris from RecPro, and today we're going to be looking at the modular line of RV furniture. First off, we're going to look at the right and left arm facing. That's going to be the base of all the modular furniture, and that's going to be the 58. So they all have a zero-wall design with a parachute style pull handle. This is the first position, and they do have the second position that goes about 62.5 inches deep. And then you got to keep that just about 3 inches from the wall. And again, that is with the right and left arm facing, that's going to be 58 inches. And then if you want to go a little bit bigger and have like some storage or some cup holders, we do have the 9 and the 12-inch console here. So they have cup holders and then they both have storage, which is really good. Really the only difference is that the 12-inch is a little bit wider and it has full-size cup holders. And then it does have a little bit bigger storage. But besides that, they're going to be the same. They serve the same purpose. If you want to go a little bit bigger and have, let's say, a triple recliner, we do have the 22-inch center, which has a drop-down with cup holders. And then it does have a reclining mechanism right here. So it acts as the same. It has the two reclining mechanisms. So then if you want to go even bigger, if your space allows it, we do have the 36-inch console. That does not have a reclining mechanism, but it does have a drop-down, which makes it really nice. And then all these pieces on our website are sold separately if you want to. And then you can kind of mix match everything, get whatever size you want, or yeah. And then we do have all the big pieces itself too, if you want to do that. Then we have all of them in our 4 colors, which are coffee, mahogany, chestnut, and putty, which they're all in stock. And then they all are made out of a faux leather polyurethane, which makes it really nice to clean up. So you just get like a wet washcloth, I guess, and then you can just wipe it off and you're good to go. And then that's basically the modular furniture. It's it's really nice just because we have a bunch of different sizes, different consoles. You can just fit it wherever you want. It doesn't have to be just an RV if you want. But yeah, just follow us on social media. Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and thanks for watching.